going on, guys? Today's video we have the Roccat Vulcan TKL. Now this is the Titan Switch linear version. They do have a tactile version. Now this keyboard retails for about $100. What is a Titan Switch, you might ask? It's 30% quicker than standard at a 1.4 total travel distance all the way up to 3.6 millimeters, which is a very fast switch. So in the unboxing experience, it's very simple. It's really nice. You basically get the user manual, the cable, and the keyboard itself. It's pretty simple. It's very easy, and it sounds really, really good. And I'll show you what that sounds like right now. Alright, so we have the Vulcan TKL Pro keyboard here. It's going to be replacing our SK61, very popular keyboard. So this is a nice finish. I'm going to have to change my desk mat now. FN plus right control. So this one, turn it on and off the LEDs. And damn, the LEDs are so good looking. Arrows up and down to trigger the brightness. So FN, I forgot there's actual arrow keys now. So that's a bonus. Let me just show you this real quick. Arrows left and right to cycle through the different modes. That's really nice. Oh, that's the speed. Oh no, there we go. Pretty nice. If you want the actual app, you can download the app in Roccat software online, and that will go ahead and register a product. It'll also give you more functionality within the device itself. I think it only works for Windows as of right now, but I'll go ahead and double check right now here. Yeah, it doesn't work on this, so I'm definitely gonna have to check it out on Windows 10, Windows 11, and I will show you this software right now. All right, so yeah, that's really easy software. It's really cool to be able to functionally take control more of your keyboard, but as is, if you don't want to get into all that, just want to plug and play, it's really, really nice. This aluminum plate here is just cold to the touch. It's really nice, good for heat dissipation. So you won't have extra components getting hot. Roccat knows how to make really good premium product. I have this mouse here that I've been using for over a year now. It's seamless, it works really well. I'm pretty sure it'll last years to come. So it's definitely worth the investment. You're probably like $130 for a keyboard. I wouldn't spend that much. Personally, I think is way better than other companies out there. It might get some time to get used to because I haven't had a TKL keyboard before. This is my first one, which is basically like this size, as you can see. So it's just a little bit bigger, not a whole lot. If you do have a smaller desk though, maybe look into a 60%. They do sell 60%, so I recommend a 60% if you have a smaller desk. If you don't have a Windows and you're using Mac, you can't really use a whole lot of functions, so that's the only downside for this keyboard. But if you are on Windows 10, Windows 11, any Windows device, this will be super, super helpful. I really do appreciate Roccat's thought into putting it in the middle. Some people like it off to the left or off to the right, but in the middle, it just works because most people could just route their cables straight down or whatever. The media control does work. And these are low profile keycaps, or they imitate them. These are linear red switches basically with the Titan switch, and they're their own brand right here. As you can see, they're engraved with the Roccat. Alright, so I've been using this keyboard for about a month now. I don't use the brightness all the way up on my keyboards, but for this one, I keep it very, very low. It does have a lot of brightness adjustment here. It has about 5 levels of lighting, and it gets really, really bright. Really, really nice on camera, really, really good on person. Low profile keycaps, imitating low profile switches, but it is a really good overall board. There's no bending, there's no creaking, as you can see. It's amazing. The little dial wheel does work if you have, you know, it operational on your... This does work on Mac consoles as well as Windows 10 and 11. Pretty much works with anything that you can use a keyboard with, even Android and iPad as well. You just have to use a dongle. But it does work on multiple platforms, which is really nice, and I enjoy that. And it's good that it's a TKL size since you do have the arrow keys for gaming or, you know, media control, insert, delete, and page up, page down. The function buttons, which you can program to practically anything else that you choose to do so. You even have play, pause, different lighting modes and other things like that. Right now I have it on the AMO lighting sequence, which is basically a really special mode that Roccat makes for their own keyboards and mouse and anything that RGB. I have it on the mouse here as well. It's one of the best lighting on the market right now, since you can have like custom shooting or just custom colors in general, flowing, just really, really good RGB. Personally, my favorite for gaming and anything else like that. It's really, really good, high end as well. So this is one of those long-term keyboards that are going to last a very long time, just for a short investment. Like, it's only $100. This is going to definitely last you a long, long time, as you can see. And I believe this is hot swappable, so you can swap them out. I don't recommend swapping them out, but you can do that if you want to. You might have to solder a bit. But if you guys want to see me modding this keyboard, let me know in the comments down below. I might do a modding video, depending on how intricate it is to get into this keyboard and mod it. But this is very hard to work with since it's very thin, but I appreciate it. You're paying for this good amount of quality. It's thin and it has kickstands, which is rare on a keyboard. It's very rare. But now I have it on the black colorway, so I changed my entire colorway basically to this black theme, and now I have those RGB and the stuff at the back. But I think it looks really clean, looks good. The overall aesthetics and keyboard and everything precision. Titan. The Titan switches are very fast, very loud, very fast, silent switches. They're linear, so you're not gonna have any tactile feedback, but they are really, really good. I love these switches. They're very silent and very fast. Very, very fast. So yeah, if you guys want to pick this up, the link is in the description to buy. I will have an Amazon link, or you can use the 10% off discount code for the website if you choose to do so. And I'll put that up on screen and in the description as well. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.